Well, good morning, folks. This is Shipping Explorer. On a cold morning, we're expecting the snow to come in College Park, and most of almost a third of United States. Millions of people are gonna be affected. Well, I can only bring you the sunshine. Welcome to this station, and be warm, be safe, be comfortable. If you in only emergency to get out. For those of you who are watching this part of the world, but for those of you who are in warm country, do enjoy it, folks, because United States gonna be bad. I tell you. Anyway, I do wish you all the best for today as I bring you the sunshine, and we'll take it from there. Well, we are going to maybe use this as a starting tape, the video, to something that's snowy and icy. So here we are. So enjoy the sunshine while you can. And as we progress into the weather, we'll bring it to you. The Shippity Explorer is always exploring. See you, folks, as we progress together. Well, the bad snow is coming, folks, and we have to be prepared. So one of the things that we are prepared is we have a workroom with all sort of equipment. And we have this generator. Let's see if we can get. All right. So the thing, I didn't start it for a while. So we're gonna see if we can get it started. And run. So let's see if we can get it out of here. Wow. Here we go. Ha! It's cold. I'm telling you, it's cold, folks. It's cold. Not even puppy nose. It's cold like this. This is worse than puppy nose. Just 2 minutes out. Let's see if we can get this baby out and test her, because it's, you have to be prepared. It's these not Delgas, but generators. We have to use them away from the house. I remember in Jamaica, the government gave some of these things to the locals, and they end up kept it in the house because they were afraid that somebody would steal it, and they end up killing themselves. So they end up getting killed. All right. So here we are. See if we can get this started. If I remember, well, that's off. Turn it on and turn the gas on, and it has gas in it. So let's my battery got burnt out, so wow, 2 pulls, boy. That's amazing. 2 pulls. I had one before and it was giving me trouble like crazy. And I bought this one and changed it for another one, and it couldn't run the house. But if you can see, this is a big house, and so we need a big generator. And I bought this under, and I've been pleased with it. Because my battery is down, what I have to do is take the battery out and get it charged. But you can see this is a powerful system, folks. Very powerful. I can do 30 amps, 20 amps. I can do 120 volts, 120 volts to 240 volts on this generator. I can run maybe I can run 2 refrigerators, 2 televisions, and I still have power. And that's why I went to this system, because it was the smaller one was, as soon as I crank it up and plug the refrigerator in, the system went down. So this is a powerhouse, and you can see I'm pleased. So what this does, it has the plugs. I get the plugs and show it and demonstrate how this works. Where is my power hose? Here we go. Don't even have to do it, or just demonstrate. See, you have this big power hose, folks. And there we are. This plugs into this, and I can plug in 4 extension cords in this. So this is a big investment. This is a good investment. So I'm just testing the system now to make sure we have power, just in case electricity goes out. Then I know that my generator, my Honda EM650 6500 SX. Look at that, folks. 6500 XX SX. Running like a charm. So once So if I was going to use it today or when the power comes on, I would move it further out, way out in the yard, way out here, because you don't want the carbon monoxide pumped back into the house. And if you look up here, we have the somewhat of an exchange from the system. So you don't want the HVAC system pull the carbon monoxide into the house. That kills you in a couple hours or maybe less. So I'll run it for a while and then I shut it down. And actually I'm gonna go get the gas and put some more gas in it. So that's preparation for the winter with the storm that's coming, folks. And Shipping Explorer is, I think, he's prepared. There we go. Go in the sun so you can see my face as good as ever. Prepared like a charm. That's how it's done. Preparation for storm. So we show you the storm will come tonight late, maybe early tomorrow morning, and we'll show you that. So stay tuned for the storm of the year. And if you're liking these tapes, these videos, and getting informed with them and think there's something that can be done, use around the household or in your life, share them, please. Share them. And if you're coming on this station for the first time, do subscribe to the station. It doesn't cost. Just click the button and say, I'm joining this group of people because they are very informative. And I'm trying to do that every time I put a tape out. Whether you're shopping, whether you're traveling, whether you're in the family and you're looking at the genealogy of others and how to get around that and where to eat, all sorts of things. It's an informative station. Please subscribe. I'm telling you, you'll learn something from us. So stay tuned. We're gonna watch the weather. I'm gonna put some gas in this machine and run it for some more, and then we'll go for there. So we are gonna just give it some gas, turn it off and give it some more gas. Actually, how I do it, I turn the gas lever off and let it burn down. I'm telling you, man, this is cold. Whew. So I let that gas burn out because you don't want to leave gas in the line, because in the carburetor. So what it does, it settles and gums up and clogs the line. So I let it burn down. Let it burn out. Turn it off. Put some more gas in this. And it uses regular gas, folks. Most of these generators use regular gas. I think that's good enough. Whew. Lock it real good. Pull up the lever. And I'm gonna set it back inside the house. Wow. I tell you, this is getting too heavy for me. Getting to be too technical. I have to pull it back in backwards. One. Pull it up. Almost like a wheelbarrow. This is a heavy one, folks. Getting too old for this. Oh, shucks. I hope it's all right. Turned over a bit. If it didn't get, I think it'll be all right. Anyway, that's it. Now we are ready for the snow. See you when it comes. All right.
Hello, how are you?
All right. And I want to say something.
Right. So when you're recording, it's recording as you're recording now.
Okay.
So it's doing both.
So when I play back,
So if you hit stop,
So obviously not to the camera, it's tied to the camera, right?
record. So you can do record, and you can talk over the, I think you could probably talk over it. Well, you have seen the sun rising in the morning in College Park, and now you're seeing College Park, folks. The first inkling of snow, the calm before the storm, and here we are. The ground is crisp and cold. The place is desolate. And so, Shippy the Explorer is showing you what life is like in the West. Here we are. Well, I guess by tomorrow morning, all this place will be whiter. Can't even see it now. That what's so we expect lots of snow, but right now there's little. An hour ago there was nothing. Now Look at it. Storm is here. Sweeping through now. Wow. They promised us a storm, folks. Auntie. Promised us a storm. And here we are. Started as a trickle last night. And here we are. This is Ship the Explorer from College Park, Maryland, and it is storming. My golly. You hear it? You see it? It's on the letter box. It's on the step. It is dropping like rain. Hear it. My golly. The cars are covered already. The houses are covered. The driveway is covered. The trees are crying. This is a storm. Right. I'm shocked. I'm speechless. I am cold. This is dangerous. I'll keep you up to date. Right now, it is about 3 inches. We're going, and we'll keep you informed. Listen to it. Come like rain.
Your breakfast on the table.
Thank you.
You know what you're gonna drink.
I think I better put on the full gear for this one, folks, because I'm going out there for a few minutes, and I don't know, but let's put on the full gear. Russian cap. Well, I call it the Russian cap. It's when you put this on, you are super warm. So I'm gonna test this. Let's see what happened. I think let's button up. Want to go outside and show you what this 2020 January snowfall is all about. Can't even button it, but anyway, let's see. Oops. Get my shoes on. Can't miss this opportunity. There we go. Ta-da! My golly. Not even carrying the camera down. I'm just gonna video from here and show you a little of what this is about. Let's get the gloves on. And wow, my hands are cut. All right, here we go. Whew. If you think this is a beautiful thing, you make a sad mistake. This is a storm of the century. Trying to get my button. I should have buttoned this before I come out. Okay, here we go. Take the gloves back off. Okay. I want to give credit to the weathermen, folks. The weathermen, they say they have been predicting this thing for more than a week. And I think I have to give them credit. Because this is a storm. This is more than a storm. Do a little cleaning. Because it said, if you don't clean, look at that. This is at 6 inches or more already. Woo. Let's bring the camera out a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do a little bit, folks. Show you. A warm cap, a warm gloves, multiple layers and a shovel. Can't do much of this because this thing will give you heart attack. It's dry, it's powdery. Look at it, like flour. It's so powdery. Look at it. I'm doing my old thing, just a few seconds of this, and then I'll stop. What is going to happen is that it's going to, after the snow stops, it's going to start to sleet. And then they say that what's dangerous, you can't, if you don't move it like now, you're going to be in deep trouble. So with my, and you have to watch your health. So I'm not going to do much of this. As soon as I feel a little bit tired, I'm going to stop. This is dangerous stuff, boy. I'm telling you. I thought it's powdery. It's dangerous. It's just dropping like crazy. This looks like Alaska, or maybe Alaska is even warmer than this now. You can hear it. It's like it's crying. I've never seen or heard snow that drops with a sound like this. So I don't know if it must be sleeting. It must be sleeting now, or maybe that's the reason. I'm cutting a path down, really. Yes, I have to give credit to the weathermen. They predict this, and they weren't wrong. But actually, if you have things like this, you could collect the snow at this point and store it as water. You melt it down if you're, say, you're trapped in the wilderness. You can, and not even 5 minutes. I mean it. Look at it. I'm tired already. Whew. And you feel tired like that, they recommend that you stop. Wow. Excuse me. This makes you want to burp. Well, it's a good thing it's a Sunday, and the main thing that we canceled is church. So it's well, here we go. The storm of the year, I hope. That's it, it is. Just listen to it. Well, I cut a couple path to get there out a little bit, and I got tired already. So that's the extent to where I go. Some people love this. If we have I mean, it's sliders. We could probably slide down the road, down the path, but I'm not that enthusiastic about water in any form, whether ice. Well, when I'm thirsty, we need water. But this is water in a different form, which is dangerous. So I go back in the warmth, and maybe I'll bring you more highlights of this storm of the year.
Shamu, if I recording.
When I put, we are rescuing, here we are today, folks. We are turned bird rescuers. I don't know if he'll survive. Throw him on. Flew into the window. And, oh. Here we are. Yeah. There we go. So a lot of times we during the winter, these birds fly into the glass because they think they see the reflection and they think they can fly right in because the glass is reflecting the outside. So you can see where she has damaged herself. So we brought him in, and here we are. Bring him in the warmth, and hopefully we'll survive. So the winter is so bad outside that even the birds are flying into the window. They happen all year, but this time of the year for this storm, it seems like it's happening more. Anyway, we continue to explore through this bad weather. Right, this is such a way that it flew out. Oh, feeling better.
So most of the places kind of closed down for the weekend.
Look at him, Shirley. Okay.
Oh, I still have that buzzing in there every now and then. Especially when I'm relaxed.
Okay.
Yes. If I'm busy doing stuff,
So,
I don't.
so
maybe because I'm busy,
she
I don't
survived.
pay attention, but
He
when
or
I'm
she.
relaxed,
So we're pleasant.
if I'm sitting
We're
down
pleased
and relaxed,
that you survived.
then I can
Oh,
hear
don't you
that
want to come out?
buzzing. It's a good thing it's not painful,
All right.
just the buzzing, but it's okay.
All right.
You used to
Okay.
have it too?
Okay. All right.
Oh, Noel has it too?
So you want to go back out now?
Right. One, they can
You don't want nothing to eat?
anyway.
So trying to give her some food, and she don't want it.
They come
Okay.
pick you up.
Come on,
Come.
come on. You don't want no food?
Anyway,
All right.
nothing.
Okay.
Nothing lasts
All right.
forever, only things
Come on.
last forever.
Come on. All right, you feel better? I'm gonna let you go.
That's right.
Come on.
You're not here forever.
Come on.
You're only here for the bird looks like you were diving.
Come on. We're gonna let you out. All right? He won't go out. He might try go. Oops.
Jumping up. I think he feel a little better now, but it's still cold out there. So he gonna put him out.
All right. Go look for your friend. Ooh. Again, crackers and no one no crackers.
Yeah, we put him in a box.
And they don't want no crackers. May I try giving crackers. Mess up my whole place with the crackers.
Laurel, try to feed it crackers.
No want no crackers. All right. You fly.
Let me leave you guys. We talk again. All right.
Look at this, folks. Welcome back to the snow cleaning. See, what is happening now is that it's freezing already. So they recommend now that we clean off our car. Oops. So what I'm gonna do is make one effort to see if I can clean off at least these two cars. And clean away. So I have a special tool that I hope I can find it. Oh boy. Where is my special tool? Oh gee. Oh, here it is. This is a special tool. I'm going to make one more effort and see if I can clean off the cars, at least. You know. Let's try that. At least take the ice off the car. This you can push it or pull it. I'm telling you right now, it's dropping ice. See? Right now we can clean the car off like this. As I had the windshield. The camera might be too far away. Let's do Hans' car. Well, if at least clean off the, show how it's done. broad shovel. Sorry. Oh boy. And this ice make me burp every time I come up. It's too bad. Now it's dripping. It's dropping like crazy. Okay. All right. Let's go down and do this other vehicle. Look at it. 6 inches now on the ground and counting. And this is a storm. The greatest storm, I would imagine, for the year. Here we go. Let's get some. Let's see if we can set it up, camera, where we can at least see the van. There we go. All right. So my tool can be a pusher or a puller. Pusher or puller. Ooh. Keep this up. Pusher or puller. Pusher or puller. And as quick as that, pusher or puller. And they recommend that you don't want to go on the road with a lot of snow on your vehicle. So push it off. Get the get the oh wow, the snow is heavy, and that's what causes you to get heart attack if you're not careful. So I'm just doing this effort, just the van and the car, to take off some of the snow off of the vehicle. Let it be lighter. So when I come tomorrow, and when the weather is better, I don't have too much on the vehicle. Keep this when I saw this specialized scraper, I was happy, man. Wow. No, it's Look, in 5 minutes, the windshield is covered. All right. So at least I got some of the snow off. So when I start the vehicle, when the weather is better, then it will be lighter. But right now it's sleeting, and that's what's happening. Sleeting like crazy. Show you. Sleeting like crazy. It's gonna be a problem taking this cleaning this driveway, you know. It's gonna be a problem. But let's clean up a little bit more. Whew. Well, she said don't worry about the house, so I'm just gonna do the walkway. See, it's freezing up now. Here's a truck gone up the street, dropping salt on the road. So I won't stay long in this again. This is just to take off a little off of the steps. Because, believe it or not, maybe the mailman comes, but I don't know. But this is dangerous. So, this is, when I came out this morning, I did a little of this, and now it's frozen. All right. So tired again. Anyway, this is the storm of the year, and let's see if we get in the this is the storm of the year, And this is Shippy the Explorer in the heart of it. This is what life is like in College Park today. And I know if we had some kids here, we'd be slipping and sliding down here. But I'm telling the truth. I'm going inside back where it's warm and say, thank God I'm alive and well. And I'm not going to kill myself out to clean this snow. We just have to wait until another couple of days when it probably settles down, and we go from there. Because this is not pretty. Anyway, well, it's pretty for some people who like to play in the snow. Anyway, this is Shippy the Explorer saying good morning, good afternoon, good night. But right now, this is good afternoon for us in College Park, Maryland, USA. And I'm going in to take a break from this condition. Happy snow day, happy warm day, have a wonderful day. And this is it for this storm. See you. Thanks for liking this tape. Thanks for sharing. And thanks always for subscribing. Appreciate you. Bye for now. See you.